Okay, as you saw from the sign, we're walking through the Iluka Nature Reserve. Iluka is a very small town, basically a little sleepy seaside village. The population explodes during the school holidays and summer months, I presume, given that a cursory glance around town presents you with the sight of endless holiday rentals. Endless and endless holiday rentals. The Iluka Nature Reserve is part of a World Heritage listed section of rainforests on the east coast of Australia. But this is a very small section. This trail eventually takes you through to Iluka Bluff, which offers some vantage points. As you would have seen on the sign, 2.5 kilometres there, so we're 2.5 k's back. They showed someone to come and pick you up from the bluff. Quite a warm September day. I had hoped on my way here that I might see maybe a snake or something sunning itself on the track. But as I walked from Iluka Bluff here, no such luck. You don't have to be particularly fit to do this walk, as you can tell it's fairly flat. You might even be able to get a stroller or a wheelchair along here. But you'd be pretty tight on the wheelchair side of things in a few instances. So I'm just going to shoot a minute or two of vision of this, just to give you a rough idea of what you're going to see if you do the Iluka Nature Trail for the purposes of checking out some World Heritage temperate rainforest. Plenty of bird life. Of course, one thing a video won't allow you to experience is the gorgeous smell of the bush. G'day. Couple of cyclists cruising along here. So as you can see, this is not a bad little trail for a number of purposes. Very, very much accessible. The entries are right on the edge of town. Anyway, that's a little glimpse of the Iluka Nature Trail for the half a dozen people who ever bothered to watch the video.